Ignatian. We're here with one of my patients who had Deuk laser disc repair, lumbar spine, L34, L45. And you had a fusion before at L23, right?
Yes.
What was that done through your back or through your belly?
Through the back. It was a laser.
Okay.
Over at Tampa. Yeah.
The Laser Spine Institute.
Yeah.
All right. But they're out of business. We're still here. I fixed you with a little cut on your back, 7 millimeters. And how are you feeling today?
Oh man, there's no pain at all.
It's amazing, huh?
Yeah.
It's cured.
It's cured. Done.
You're not taking pain pills for your back?
I took them last night, and then I took one this morning just because they gave me the pills.
Yeah.
But in talking here, no, I don't have to.
But you didn't have any pain?
No.
Yeah. And you still don't have any pain?
None.
Awesome. What are you going to do now that you have no more back pain?
Chase my wife.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you might be able to outrun her now with your back being
Look
as
out,
good as
man,
it
look
is.
out, yeah.
All right. Thank you.
But I just want to say that the staff here is incredible, and
Except for Chelsea.
No, she was okay. That was a joke. Yeah, she was incredible. Yeah.
This is Chelsea over here too.
Yeah. And Crystal.
Crystal, right.
Yeah.
So I just figured whoever's around, you're going to pick on them, right?
Yeah, well, I mean, you got to do something. You know, you don't want everybody to be uptight. Yeah.
Well, thank you for saying that. It means a lot. We're very selective in who we pick to work at Deuk Spine, and I'm glad that you enjoyed your experience here. So we'll see you back here in a week.
Yeah, I'm glad I found you because if I'd have known you were here, I would have had the first one done here.
Yeah, when was the first one done?
About 3 years ago.
Oh yeah, we were here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were here 3 years ago. But you're good now, and that's all that matters.
That's right. It's done.
Get rid of that pain.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy life.
Thank you.
My pleasure, sir. Great to see you today.
Okay.